This is a Mercedes 2004 C230. I'm working on vacuum leak issue on this vehicle. I've been working on it like almost 3 days. I finally decided to put my smoke detector machine. I did see the leak. It was hard to see it in visually, like you have to really put the vacuum so you will be able to see it. Right now I'm hooking up my vacuum machine on the battery. You need to keep it like 4 or 5 minutes to warm up. The oil is in it. I already make it set up. I have a vacuum, like I have a air pressure vacuum, just to put a little bit of air inside the machine. Like I know it's not really attached to it like perfect. It's just I just hold it with my hand, just like that, and I keep my hand holding it because I don't have really like good fitting to keep it in place. I just need to get it done right now, just to make my video. So I hook it up here, I turn it on, turn on the vacuum and the pump. I will push it here. It's gonna make some sound. I'm going to turn it on and point the camera where the smoke coming from. Hopefully I can help somebody out there, and prepare for some noise. Turn it off so the sound can be clear. So there you have it, folks. If you have a vacuum leak, get one of those. It really helps. Sometimes it's not easy to locate it by your eyes just looking. So the air coming, the smoke coming from down below, I'm guessing is a hose or maybe gasket down there. It's hard to see it in camera, but I can see there is a hose underneath of the supercharger. Yeah, there is a hose in it underneath. I'm gonna take it off the whole parts here, whole components, and see what's going on underneath it. Alright folks, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like or you learned something from me today, like and share, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.